beautiful angels. So today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Kylie Cosmetics and Sailor collection, and I actually brought their collection the minute it has been dropped, so I'm so excited to review it. And this is not sponsored video, and I have brought this on my own just to review along with you guys. So we're going to do the unboxing and review and also try on, so all that good stuff. Let's dive in. Here is the packaging. Let's open this. So here it says Kylie. This is the card, and this is what it says. It says like, good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. This is the first item that I see. So this is the lashes, and like once this Sailor collection has been available, and after like maybe like 6 hours or so, I did just check them out, and then this has already been sold out. So I was like, oh wow. The next beauty that we have, so this is Kylie Jenner High Gloss. This is how it looks. It smells like kind of fruity. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to swatch this. It's more like lip oil, and it smells like lip oil, like fruity kind of smell. This one, so this is Shadow Stick Duo. These are the two sticks that we got. It's a really pretty color. So this is how it looks. This one is Rock the Boat. So this is how it looks. It's more like coppery kind of color. So this is the shade. The next one that we have is this one right here. So this is Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. So this is the lip pencil. So this is how it looks. So this is the lipstick. This is where I'm going to swatch it. So this is how it looks. Our last product, I think I paid almost like $115 for this one. Look at this packaging, guys. This is so cute. This is what we're talking about. So here are the shades. It has like blues, and also like there is one that's like more reddish kind of color. That's total catch. That there is one thing that I did observe right off the bat. So this kind of shimmer has like smaller kind of sparkling kind of thing, but this has like more of chunky kind of glitter. I'm going to start with this lip gloss first. It smells good and feels good. And now I'm going in with my eyeshadow. So the first thing that I'm using is this one right here, Total Catch, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. Look at this. This is a really pigmented color. Fluffy but very thinner kind of brush to have that V kind of shape. So I'm going to pack that color just to the edges, just to blend that in. So those two colors mixed, it gives like very light kind of pinkish kind of color. Time to cut the crease. Taking this one right here, I'm going to apply that to my inner corners. So this is like more of chunky kind of glitter. So applying next to that, I'm going in with this bold color. Got the blues. I'm taking blue ocean just between this and this. Going to apply just my black liner. Just applying the blue ocean. I'm going to apply this gold just to my inner corners. Just want to see like how it looks. This is what we're looking at, and I'm going to pop on the lashes. This is what we're looking at, and now time to apply my lipstick. Well, that's pretty much it guys for today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video and also today's look. Please let me know how you like this look in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.